In 2025, you will need more than your certificate. So there's going to be a difference between being certified and being qualified. So when you are certified, you just have a certificate. When you are qualified, you know the work. You have the hands-on skill. So let's break it down. An employer that wants to employ a cybersecurity professional is looking for someone who can set up a SIEM system, that is a security information and event management system. You are looking for an employer is looking for someone who can analyze real world security situations, who can detect vulnerabilities and take action, who can create a simple incident response plan, who can ensure cybersecurity policies are put in place, who can conduct vulnerability assessment and help them to forestall an attack before an hacker takes advantage of the system. So employers are looking for hands-on. They are tired of certificates. Certificate is no longer cut it. And a hacker does not respect your certificate. The hacker that is trying to hack into your system might not have even gone to school. So 2025 is the year where you beef up your cybersecurity skills and ensure that you have the hands-on skills.
In cybersecurity, there are three fundamental things that you do. You protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data, assets, or resources. So every cybersecurity professional is doing these three things. So whatever aspect of cybersecurity you are playing in, you are either protecting the confidentiality, the integrity, or the availability of data. So we have talked about 5 things that usually cause confidentiality to be easily broken. We're talking about shoulder stuffing, we're talking about weak password, we're talking about unsecured public Wi-Fi, we talked about oversharing content on the internet, and these are ways you need to be very careful about. So protect your privacy, ensure that these 5 things that I've mentioned, you are conscious of them and you prevent them. Integrity in cybersecurity is talking about keeping data trustworthy, keeping data untampered with, unchanged, keeping data accurate. And so we have discussed 5 ways data integrity can be compromised. We talk about malware, ransomware, we talk about accidental deletion, accidental deletion, overwriting, and we talk about insider threats. These are all different ways that can compromise the integrity of your data, and you need to watch it whenever you are using this thing to ensure that your integrity is kept in shape. Remember, integrity means accuracy of your data. Anything that can stop you from accessing your data at the time you need it is breaking availability. Today I'm going to look at 5 things that can break availability. The 5 things can stop you from being able to access your data. Whether you're a cybersecurity beginner, you're a professional, or you're just a user of digital devices, understanding availability will give you a huge advantage in today's job market. Companies are looking for people who are able to help them keep their confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If you want to learn how to master how to help organizations, businesses, and individuals to maintain or keep their confidentiality, integrity, and availability, please sign up for our one-on-one cybersecurity coaching class. The link is in the description to this video. Sign up for this class today and we will take you through a process that will help you to understand all the skills and all the things you need to do to be able to protect availability of data.